we have organized the prize distribution of DSO Sports.
नाज है हमें आपके बुलंद इरादों पर, हजारों शामें कुर्बान है आप जैसे चिरागों पर। हालात बदल जाते हैं ज़माने के, जिनके इशारों पर वो कोहिनूर हीरे हैं आप, जिनकी चमक है सितारों पर।
We truly believe that the effort shouldn't go unorganized, as these blue minds have to do well in their lives and set an example for each others.
कोशिश कर हल निकलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल निकलेगा। अर्जुन सा लक्ष्य रख, निशान लगा, मरुस्थल से भी फिर जल निकलेगा। मेहनत कर, पौधों को पानी दे, फिर बंजर से भी फल निकलेगा।
We have organized prize distribution for HSC and SSC students in order to appreciate their efforts and hard work for this great achievement. I hope our school and teachers have done great and good work to set an ideal benchmark in all the fields.
Now I would like to call upon Kuldeep ma'am to proceed the further program.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am sure you all have enjoyed the wonderful performances by our most talented, energetic Bloomites. Now moving forward, it is a very proud moment for entire BBS family to felicitate our academic achievers, our toppers in SSC as well as in HSC class. It is my pleasure to announce the toppers of SSC and HSC. I request the students of SSC and HSC to be ready to reach on stage as the names are called according to their ranks. Also, I would like to announce that our management has decided to give cash prize along with certificates to our SSC and HSC toppers. A huge round of applause for this great decision by our management. To begin with our SSC toppers, third rank goes to Yadav Vidhi Harish, securing 88.20%. Yadav Vidhi Harish, please be on stage. I request our Honorable Vice President, Shrimati Asha M.B. Singh, to please come on stage. Ma'am, all the SSC toppers be ready with your parents, please. SSC toppers, ready with your parents, second and first. Next, second rank, Chaudhary Bhavna. Please be ready with your parents. Chaudhary Bhavna Nararam. Second rank, securing 90.80%. A huge round of applause for the second ranker in SSC. I request our Honorable President, Mr. M.B. Singh, sir, to please come on stage to felicitate our second ranker in SSC. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Chaudhary Bhavna Nararam, second rank in SSC. Come along with your parents on stage. I request Mrs. Sunita Mukesh Singh, ma'am, to please be on stage. The trustee member of our school, as well as she is also a teacher. Ma'am, you are requested to please come on stage. I request Naman to be ready with his parents. SSC student Naman, be ready with your parents. Chaudhary. Okay. Naman, please come near the stage along with your parents. A huge round of applause for Chaudhary Bhavna for securing 90% in SSC. Congratulations to the parents as well as the student. A big round of applause, parents. Naman, Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, parents. Sabagani Naman Chandan is our first rank holder with 93% in SSC. Naman, please come on stage with your parents. I request our Honorable Senior Most Trustee Mr. Lucky Chand Malani sir to please come on stage and felicitate our topper in SSC securing 93%, Sabagani Naman Chandan. Yes. Thank you sir for coming. As I had earlier said, that crash prize has been given by our management to all the SSC toppers, as you can see along with the certificates. Cash prize is also been given to the students from the management. A huge round of applause for our topper in SSC with 93%, Sabagani Naman Chandan. Congratulations to the parents and the students. Thank you to our trustee sir, Malani sir, and our trustee sir, President, Mr. Singh sir. Thank you, parents. Now I request our HSC toppers of Presidency Junior College of Science and Commerce to be present on stage as the names are announced. From the Commerce stream, Presidency Junior College of Science and Commerce, second place goes to Chintamani Shivapriya, securing 75%. A big round of applause for Chintamani Shivapriya, securing second place with 75%. I request the student to be on stage with the parents. I request Honorable Mr. Shailesh MB Singh, Secretary Member of our school, to be on stage to felicitate the HSC topper. Cash prize as well as certificate is given by our management. A big round of applause for the student. Vakde Sachin, be ready to come on stage with parents. Thank you, sir. Congratulations to the parents and students. Vakde Sachin, please be on stage along with your parents. Vakde Sachin has secured first place. Vakde Sachin Balaji in Commerce stream, securing 77% in Commerce stream in HSC. A big round of applause. I request Mr. Shailendra Singh, trustee member of our school, and he is also a civil engineer. Mr. Shailendra Singh. Thank you, sir. A big round of applause for our topper Vakde Sachin Balaji from Commerce stream, securing 77%. Thank you, sir. Congratulations to parents and students. And now I proudly announce the science topper in our college, Presidency Junior College of Science and Commerce in Science stream, Singh Shivani Shailendra, daughter of Mr. Shailendra Singh, the trustee member of our school. A big round of applause for Shivani. It is a proud moment for the whole BBS family. It is a very big proud moment. Singh Shivani Shailendra has secured 72% in science. I request Mrs. Kalpana Singh, the trustee member of our school as well as teacher, to be on stage to felicitate the topper. And Mr. Shailendra Singh is also welcomed here. The proud parents of the wonderful daughter, she has secured the first place in science stream. Congratulations to sir and ma'am, and also to Shivani. A big round of applause.
मैंने सबका लिखा था सर, अभी आप बता रहे तो सब गड़बड़ हो गया है। अब मैंने वाइस प्रेसिडेंट आशा सिंह ये सब लिख दिया था मैंने, किसको किसको बोला था।
And thank you, sir. Congratulations. After witnessing this academic success of our brilliant students, let's appreciate our students' sports skill on district level as well as state level in various DSO sports at district level, organized and guided by our respected PT sir, Mayur sir and Nikhil sir. A huge round of applause for both the sirs for guiding the students. DSO sports winner will be announced according to the category of their sports and place secured by students. I request DSO participant students under 17 girls and boys group to be ready to reach on stage in category of under 17 volleyball, handball and throwball. Please students reach on stage as the groups are announced of under 17 girls and boys. I hope all the students are ready. Under 17 girls group in volleyball. I am calling out the name of the 12 girls. Please be on stage as soon as possible. Nandini Bhagat, Purvika Pathare, Anushka N, Angel Singh, Aditi Gupta, Jia Parmar, Mehak Gupta, Akansha Yadav, Lavishka Tanwani, Tejasvi Hatkar, Anjali Tanwani, Barkha Sharma. I request our Vice President, Mrs. Asha Singh ma'am, to be on stage to felicitate the winners with a trophy. Mrs. Asha Singh ma'am.
अब इसमें लेती हूँ, सेकंड में ले लेती हूँ। अच्छा ठीक है, मैं इनका डालती हूँ, इनका बोल देती हूँ, फिर ये पूरा गड़बड़ होते जाएगा आगे तो।
A big round of applause for our sport winners in DSO volleyball. A beautiful trophy awarded by our ma'am. Congratulations to the students. Mayur sir, please be on stage along with your group. Now I request under 17 boys in handball category to be ready. They had also secured second prize. Under 17 group in handball, Vivek Nishad, Narendra Kumawat, Hiren Mohanani, Hiten Mohanani, Sahil Nivalkar, Sumit Chandan Shiv, Ranvi Adgara, Gaurav Zavle, Shantanu Santra, Yogesh Mankar, Salim Ansari, Bhavesh Ujjainkar, Aditya Chaudhary, Om Saw, Shiva Pandey, Rajkumar Pandey. I request Mrs. Jaya Singh, the trustee member of our school, to be on stage to felicitate our in handball with a beautiful trophy. Mrs. Jaya Singh. Jaya Singh ma'am.
So dear parents, please give a huge round of applause for them. These are all the winners who have secured prizes in the district level competition. It is not a joke to get a prize in a district level competition. So please give a huge round of applause for them.
Under 17 girls in handball group should be ready. After this, their name will be announced. Under 17 girls in handball category.